Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the gardening channel. I have a routine I do every morning. I love my 7-minute boiled eggs. And what I do with the water after I'm finished boiling the eggs, I just do some weed maintenance. After all, I've expended the energy. To boil this water, so why not get some use out of it? You know what happens when plant matter meets boiled water? It turns to mush. Well, it's another miserable day. High today is again going to be 9 degrees Celsius. In fact, by the end of the next 7 days, it's not going to go up above 14 degrees Celsius, according to the weather forecast. So without this heat, I don't know how well these seeds are actually going to come up. Ah, we have seen. Now that could be a squash. No, I don't think so. Well, morning glories are doing just fine. And the birdshit berry bush, as always, just loving the weather. I mean, these bushes evolved here. As you can see, I tied these bushes up early in the spring so that I could have a gap to squeeze back here, but of course they're growing towards the wall. That's all right. I put on some light long pants and long sleeves once the weather gets warm. Crawl in there and start grabbing berries. All right, well, let's go in the backyard, see how things are growing there. Back in year 2000, I had been reposted back to 427 Squadron on the Griffin helicopter. My prior tour there from 1990 to 94 had been on the Twin Huey in Kiowa. Oh, look at the potatoes still growing. Excellent. Last year's pumpkin has finally collapsed in on itself. So there was somebody there who had been previously posted out in BC in Victoria. The peonies should be flowering very soon. Now, living out in Victoria, she's able to pretty well garden year-round. But it being a very temperate area, most of that gardening had to be done in the rain. She said, well, you just put your mind to it and get out there and do it. That's all very fine and dandy. But I've been waiting all bloody winter for some warm weather. I know eventually. I mean, it's a week's worth of rain still coming, seems like. I have to get out here and do some weeding. Can't really cut the grass until it stops raining. The squashes keep growing. Excellent. Peas, not a wrench. Oh yeah. Onions just love this weather. How's the carrots doing? Yeah. So, see another squash come up. Let's get in here and grab these big leafers, hey? Let's try not to grab the carrots. Okay, I'll leave the other ones there. How's the beans doing? Look at this, eh? Oh, there's another one finally coming out of the soil. Let's see it right there. Around in our potato pile. Our extra potato area. Oh, there's one. Finally. All right. How's these peas doing? Yeah. Something about them sharing the potato bed seems to make them grow better, or just be the nutrients in this box. First potatoes to come up. All right. Well, with sunnier mornings, we will have more bird chirping. You can see all the dill. The dill is going to be ready before I'm ready to pickle. No, I'll be getting some cucumbers in the grocery store when they're available in the baskets, and we'll be pickling them then. And we'll also be doing some fermented pickles. They take about a month. And the canning process is very, very delicate. I don't know how many jars I've lost just bursting in the water. But now I have a trick now. I know how to do them properly. All right, well, let's sign off. Thank you all for coming out and watching this this rainy episode of The Garden Still Growing. Enjoy your day. And maybe next time we will have more fauna chirping in the background. We'll see you next time. Bye. Look at this. Look at this. This just popped up in a day. And this is between the cracks of my patio stones. Don't tell me you can't grow squash anywhere.